Melody and I are going to make sun tea today. When I was a kid, my mom made it all the time. There are just 3 ingredients we will use for this 1.5 gallon dispenser. Water, 3 tea bags, and sugar. That's it. Our dispenser is made of glass, which in my opinion is better than plastic dispensers because glass lasts longer than plastic, and personally, I don't feel comfortable heating up plastic and drinking from it. Melody, go ahead and put the tea bags in. Yeah, it didn't take long for it to warm up and turn to a dark ginger brown. We use 2.25 cups of sugar, which equates to 1.5 cups per gallon for this 1.5 gallon dispenser. Now we'll stir it up.
Get to us and Santi.